I want somebody come give them a Grammy and say, yeah, big up me get a Grammy. People ask where you get it from. You don't even know if you tell them. Kartel and Nuffy sitting. Kartel and Nuffy. Ooh, Nuffy. Big up Nuffy do you know. One time me da walk and I sell and I see Nuffy and me and him have a interaction and it was a positive one. Very small one where him just hail me from across the road. Me a walk and sell me sitting there. Me remember when me da sell at the time and they even farming good. But from Hope Road and the man hail me is like a man hail a man when him rate. And when me look good and see enough for me, I say, but clean, what's it? You know, me that become a man in my rate. But right now, I do rate to a Kartel a deal in because Nuffy come out and say after the Grammy win, Kartel would have did like a Grammy. And Kartel hear that word there and like him and say, yo, shut your shit down, Nuffy don't talk. The statement when me say out is Kartel say, in calling liar name and say that the man will talk to him. And then Adija sitting under the palm, I don't remember the name. I must say, why name in the middle there? Someone know it, put it on the live in the comment, whatever. No one knows. So I must say, Nuffy cannot say, I want a Grammy, even though everybody knows the rascal Kartel, you know, must want a Grammy. Who don't want all man when I do the music want a Grammy to bumbo for you, eh? Every vlogger we chat fuck up on TikTok. Who don't want somebody come give them a Grammy and say, yeah, big up me get a Grammy. People ask where you get it from. You don't even know if you tell them.
Yeah, Nyah, me a king of Jamaica, 'cause I am a money maker.